How to set up automatic screen lock time on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control how quickly your screen locks when idle. First, open Settings. Tap Display. After that, scroll down and tap Screen Timeout. From there, you'll see a list of time options like 15 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes. At this point, tap your preferred duration. In the next step, go back to Settings and tap Security. Following this, tap Screen Lock. Once done, if a lock method isn't set yet, choose one like PIN or pattern first. From here, tap the settings icon next to Screen Lock. At this stage, tap Lock after Screen Timeout or Automatically Lock. Select how long after the screen turns off it should lock, like immediately or 5 seconds. Keep in mind, setting a shorter automatic lock time adds extra security, but means you'll need to unlock more often throughout the times you check your phone. Finally, press the power button to test that your screen locks based on the new timing. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up automatic screen lock time on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.